We'll now transition to the academic awards for the year. Please remember that if your name is called, you need to be presentable with your uniform, spot on, no gum. Please come forward with confidence, no hands in your pockets, and give a firm handshake to the presenter. Accept your award, then turn for a photo. For each section, I will tell you how many awards are being presented. I'll read the runners-up and the winners and ask that only the winners come forward in the order in which they are called. Please hold your applause until after all names are read in each section. Heads of house are to collect the award if a student is not here. Oh yes, Talia Sloan's first. Media Arts 10. Runners-up, Alan Asprey, Diego Perez Duarte, and winner, Solly Johnson. Film and Television 11 and 12. Runners-up, Gordon Parsons, Sky Su, and winner, Ash Bhutan, and Studio Arts 2D 11 and 12 Yearbook. Runners-up, Rowan Dupont, Tabisa Mangela Yelema, winner, Hattie Hayes. Graphic Arts 10. Runners-up, Taryn Jahal and Maya Taves. Winner, Charlie Kittleston. And Graphic Arts 11 and 12. Runners-up, Sakurako Ishimoto. AP Capstone Seminar. Runner-up, Tessa Ackerman. Winner, Avon Thoma. AP English Language and Composition. Runner-up, Sasha Tong. Winner, Ash Bhutan. AP English Literature and Composition. Runners-up, Ivana Wu and Cass Keller. Winner, Kate Ignatowski and English First Peoples 12. Runners-up, Vivian McDonnell and Pascal Ganoza. Winner, Maya Skinner. French 10. Runners-up, Peyton Stroller, Kennedy Doyle. Winner, Isabella Parfit. And French 11, runners-up, Nigel Alberts and Ash Bhutan, and winner, Samantha Platt. Human Geography 12, runner-up, Talia Sveistrup-Perk, winner, Ash Bhutan, and Physical Geography 12, runner-up, Shannon Chen, and winner, Deering Shaw. Economic Theory 12. Runners-up, Audrey Chan and Finley Hatfield. Winner, Rosie Hopkins. And Philosophy 12. Runner-up, Sorath Rakra. And winner, Scarlett Shepherd. AP European History. Runners-up, Olivia Sykes and Yoon Oh. Winner, Deering Shaw and AP Comparative Government and Politics. Runners-up, Audrey Chan and Ash Bhutan. And winner, Sebastian Jackson.